Hey everybody, I'm Will with RNR Tire Express, and today is a very special day. We are about to have our Father's Day giveaway. Now, in years past, we've given away things like grills and a Jurassic Park Jeep and even tickets to WWE SummerSlam. But this year, for the very first time, we are giving away a brand new truck. One lucky dad is going to leave this parking lot with a brand new Ford truck, and that dad is Peyton. He was nominated by his wife, Megan. They're on the way right now, and we're gonna get set up. Over 18,000 entries came in, and they are our big winners. So let's get ready and meet them right now. We are here with Peyton. He is our winner of our Father's Day giveaway. We have Megan, his lovely wife here. And do you guys want to go and introduce yourselves? What your names are? Addie and
Grayson.
There we go. What is your favorite part about being a dad?
Having the opportunity to talk to them personally about God and stuff, and have an opportunity for them to just feel loved and appreciated and stuff.
What is your favorite thing about Dad?
He's the best dad in the world, and he tries to put us in the right direction.
Oh man, you can't ask better than that. I was going to ask you more questions, but I think they have the best answers.
Pretty good. I appreciate it.
Pretty good, pretty good. We're so excited. Thank you for being here with us today. Did anybody talk to you about what you won or what you're going to be leaving here with today?
I heard tires.
Tires.
I heard tires.
You're exactly right. Tires and wheels.
Okay.
All right, tires and wheels.
Right.
Tell me about what you drive now. What do you drive?
2013 Camry.
Now, these tires and wheels, I know you said you drove a Camry.
Yeah.
I did have information that your car had 300,000 miles on it, something like that.
She's doing good. You know, it's up there though.
We didn't have all the information about your car, so we gave you tires and wheels, except they're on that brand new truck that's gonna be all yours when you leave this place.
Wait a minute.
Go back, man. Listen, we told you a little fib. That truck right there is all yours, complete with the tires and wheels that we promised you that you would win. Happy Father's Day, Peyton.
I'm nominating my husband. We have 3 children, and he's literally the best dad I could have ever dreamt.
So that's it?
For my children. No, I don't know if I can do it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
He plays with the kids and hypes them up when they are scared or nervous. We know he is always going to be there. He is the type of dad and husband that defines family man. When he's off work, he wants to be with me and the kids. I would love for him to win a truck because he deserves it. He puts us first every single day. We can't afford to get him a truck. One day I dream of surprising him when he gets home from work. We just love him so much and appreciates how hard he works. And after a nomination like that, we couldn't help but select you. So again, happy Father's Day. So that's a wrap on our 2026 Father's Day giveaway. Congratulations to Peyton, Megan, the entire family. We are so glad that you're our big winners this year. And if you want to know more about what we do around the community and more giveaways, go to rnrtires.com and we'll see you for our next Father's Day giveaway.